Hi everyone, my name is Mr. Governor Ezioku the Shanamite. I'm not going to show the faces of my guys here. These people are so awesome. They are great. They are very wonderful. This is a team I would never pray to miss. These guys are so wonderful. They are strong. Not just men, but these are men occupied by the grace of God Almighty. Now I want to say thank you to you all. Thank you for everything you've done. Thank you for your efforts. Thank you for your time, your commitment and strength so far. On behalf of my fans, viewers, those that follows me, we say thank you to you. And we expect you to do more. One day you shall be rewarded. Your faces doesn't need to show here because we still have a lot to do. Now, mbono gara investigation na ke obia dada. Esi na mbo huru ge first obuzo bill ogi 300,000. 300,000 naira oja agbara gafa. Okay. When it all look, just get your check.
It's in the power. So why do we do it?
Okay. Yeah, but I'm not going to.
In the barrier 10,000. We go down for first.
Also, the area 10,000. No, we're going to buy half.
I did. I'm not saying to come out and get a was spy. Now you put you. Now, hold on. I call the ex-president Buhari.
Na Buhari believe you are about. Na Buhari na jana uwa bu ba ba.
Na ya we ya shibe ya na go. Ni ni na ga go ya na ha wala ko be ni. So na o mi ni yes that's no. Buhari go so na ga ya go.
Na Buhari na jana Okija ba go. Good.
I'm trying to casket down on the bar behind the jail.
Ogosigi crocodile. Life ones. Give one Ogosi, give one crocodile bonuga. Okay. Ishi Sabana. They really go more than 4 million. Just get your chair closer so that people will hear you.
They more than 4 million. Yes,
No, you better want Odibia. Need to wear Dibia. You hear no Dibia? Isiagu. Okay, no one Dibia since 1998. Now we are going with that candle. More Nigerians. Very, very good. You get that 10,200 or you go after and I give my 10,000. Okay.
I do at 10,200.
Yeah, what I get his account.
Normally, I got my sister, how my George. I touch what I'm for 10,000. Some say, actually, they had them. I said, now they contact the whole country.
They have to contact every country.
Every embassy needed. I'm going to pass somebody that sign. I'm a boy, where you go, and there was some paper.
Okay, boy, where am I busy like it? Ah, there's a Dibia. Dibia and a busy paper. Very good. Yeah, I go talk. The guy now go kai. Hold on. Honestly, when my guys got there today, we started this journey the past 7 days, right? 7 days ago, this was when we started tracing this young man. We made our petitions available to Abuja and to Anambra State Police Command. We followed suit by my lawyer, a very great man, whose name I will never mention here to you. So we started all this process. First, we sent a lady. First, this lady went there about Fanakia, Nyekuyego, or Mataho. We later send another woman again, Abi. Only can you answer today? That one went there again. Bakwafa, I was giving money. Because he was getting money this week. He later said he went to Enugu. We investigated, he traveled actually. But that travel, I don't know anybody anything, but he was hiding. Maka another guy who remote here under la moto. He took someone's car. So at some point we investigated and we saw that he came back. So we started monitoring him. We took lodge. If you watch on the video here, you see on this background here, you see where I parked the car the other day. We went there. We landed at night. We took our time with some police officers. We shared ourselves. Day before yesterday, another policeman went there again to do after he collected money. He showed him crocodile. Go see a casket. Only casket in Kobububa Nemolia there. Naya and Debuta no guapo. Then he kept the cops no layer. That the family members will pay him extra 9 million naira before they can have the corpse of this man. One DB is doing this whole thing. The other video you see on the other background here was when I came to his village. The same Miriam, the river he went to, where he said he summoned me. I went there. He never knew that I was around. I went to that river and said some words of prayer. Spoke to nature. I spoke to nature against him. Then we moved. We proceeded from there. So today we decided to carry out the arrests. When we landed at his place, he saw cars, different cars, Bidonabata. So he was thinking, because we had to park the hillocks, the 3 hillocks, we parked far and shared ourselves. So the officers took cover all around his house. With the support of my men here, I equally came with some special squad, equally from River State. They met with that of Abuja. Everybody teamed up together. The moment we came down from the vehicle, my guys, the other ones, started to share two now by there. So I knew he was about running because something. The moment he saw me, Omafoye can cook. If you watch his video, say one can cook on a Omafoye tie. Hey, Okwa governor. He took off and ran. He jumped the fence. Another old man jumped the fence again. His boys, everybody, we chased him. Obarana goes on because he lives close to Ebonumri. Or Bafe, that is so-called ancestral shrine. Bafe, that one. Now jump with. We gave him triumph race. Along the line, I bought some dive wire. I was the one who heard him. Njidia. Sugodi Ezbotakanti. Star wire na nyokweta no name. This was how we grabbed him. The short message I have for you here is this. If this guy has power, why didn't he know? So to many of them, I have visited them. I have clips here. I have some video, and I signed. If you check this video, you see another video I will tag here where I signed signature on monies and gave to them. Let me see if they will realize that there is something. Some of them I wrote my last phone numbers. I wrote the beginning and wrote the last one. Can leave intelligence will reveal to them 0. We've entered many, very many of them. Wake up, don't give them money. Don't dare try it. Forget about these guys. Waro, nothing in them. Not even a squeeze or the sizable standard of a cube of sugar. Authority or power is floated around these guys. If I post videos how we have entered many of them, you'll be surprised. But I don't want to post one because we have a lot to do together. We are working close to them. So thank you. My name is Mr. Governor Isiagu the Shanamite. This matter is being handled and handed over to the authorities. We have other things to do. So this is the last statement I will make in regards to this. Maybe post 1 or 2 videos where he mentioned my name. This is where I will stop. So thank you, everyone. Now guys, I say thank you very much. Do your best to sanitize Ili Igbo. Your contributions today remain something that the next generation will appreciate you for that. So borderless, as long as God lives. The worst thing you can do to yourself is if you rise up to take bribe from any dibia or whatsoever that has to relate with bribe for you to shut up your mouth. But if you continue doing the right thing, trust me, God and nature will remember you for good. Thank you on behalf of millions of Ndi Igbo. On behalf of those people, I say thank you very much. You still have a lot to do, and God will be your strength. Thank you.